Good morning, fifth class. We are doing activity 5 of chapter 6. In this activity, there is one rule. HCF multiply LCM is equal to first number multiply second number. Or you can write this formula like this also. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now in this exercise, some word problems are there. According to word problem, three values are given. You have to find the one value of number. First question. The product of two numbers is 3072. If the LCM of the number is 192, find the HCF. Product of two number is given, LCM is given, you have to find the HCF. So write down what is given. Product of two numbers is 3072. LCM is 192 and you have to find HCF from there. So we will use this formula. We will write HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now put the values of these numbers. HCF is not given. We have to find the value of HCF. So HCF will come like this. Into LCM, value of LCM is 192. So instead of LCM, you will write here 192 equal product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is 3072. मतलब product मतलब multiply. दो numbers को multiply करने पर ये आ रहा है. First number into second number. So instead of product of two numbers, you will write 3072. Now you have to find HCF from here. So 192 will go there. When 192 will go there, it will become of division. Remember one thing, when multiply will go there, equal के उधर जाता है, then it will become divide. So 192 इधर multiply का है, when it will go there, it will be divide. So 192 we will write like this. Now we have to do divide. I am doing division here. First of all, it will be 192. Now it will go on 16. So what is the HCF? HCF is 16. Second question is the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 504 and 18. This is LCM and this is HCF. Find the other number if one number is 126. Other or one number means, so in formula there is written the first number multiply second number. So first number is this, you have to find second number. So write down what you have. LCM is 504. HCF is 18. First number is 126. You have to find second number. So write down formula. HCF multiply LCM is equal to first number multiply second number. Now put the values. HCF is 18. So instead of HCF we will write 18. And instead of LCM we will write 504. First number is 126. From here you have to find second number. Now we will multiply 504 and 18. When we will multiply 504 and 18, then 9720 will come equal 9072 will come. Now 126 will go there because we have to find second number. Now 126 here is with multiply sign. When it will go there, it will be with division sign. So 9072 we have to divide this number by 126. Now there we will do division. Now we will check on which number it will go. It will go on 7. 882. Now it will go on 2. So second or other number will be 72. Third question is the LCM of two numbers is 180 and their HCF is 6. Find the other number if first one is 30. So you will write again what you have. LCM is 180 as HCF is 6. You have to find other means second number if first number is 30. You have to find second number. Again same formula we will write. HCF multiply LCM is equal to first number multiply second number. HCF is 6, LCM is 180, first number is 30 and you have to find here second number. 180 into 6 it will be 1080. Multiply it. Now 30 will come here. So we will divide here by 30. Second number will become here. Now remember one thing, 10 there is in one's place if this 10 and one's place, here also 10, so we will cut both zeros. It will be 108 upon 3. Now we will do divide. So other number will be 36. This is answer. Fourth question is the LCM of two co-prime numbers is 756. If one of the number is 27, find the other number. Now in this question we have only two values, LCM and first number. You have to find second number, but HCF is also not given. But there is a one important rule that HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. This is the rule. Remember one thing, when we will take HCF of two co-prime numbers, then it will be 1. So it means HCF is also given. You have to learn this rule. Now HCF is 1 because they are co-prime. LCM is 756. First number is 27. You have to find second number. Use formula LCM into HCF is equal to first number multiply second number. LCM is 756, HCF is 1, first number is 27. We have to find second number, multiply it, same number will come. 27 into second number. 27 will go there, we will do division. Second number. Now here we will do division. So other number will be 28. This is answer. Fifth question, can two numbers have 13 as their HCF and 1989 as their LCM? Give reason. He is asking, अगर आपके पास दो नंबर्स हैं कोई भी, तो उन दो नंबर्स का क्या HCF 13 है और LCM 1989 है. If you have to find this type of question that it is the HCF or LCM of these numbers or not, then you have to find that HCF is the factor of LCM or not. If HCF is the factor of LCM, then it means they are HCF and LCM of both numbers. ठीक है, remember this thing कि HCF will be always factor of the LCM of any given two numbers. So if this is the factor of this, then yes, they are both HCF and LCM of given these two numbers. We will check. How we will check it is factor of 1989 or not? By dividing it. we will divide it. It is completely divisible by 13. So it means they both are the HCF of LCM of numbers. So we will write yes, they are, because yes, because 13 is the